When they pull into our little area, our little park, it's like an oasis in the valley. We offer a full RV park, water, electric, sewer, laundry rooms. We have shower facilities and restrooms. We have tent camping. A lot of people will come here just to get away from the hustle bustle of town life. We have people that come from all over the world, and every year those same customers will come and stay 2 to 3 weeks. At the beginning of the season, we have a cabin that sleeps 3. It has outside running water, an outside flushable toilet, and you're about 25 yards from the restroom and shower facility. We do have a cottage, it sleeps 2, that has inside plumbing. Everything has microwave, refrigerators, hot plates, coffee pots, toasters, toaster ovens. It's accommodations, but they're a little bit rustic, but people do like to come and stay here. I have an 18-spot RV park, and usually a day or 2 in advance, or if you'd just like to drop in, I can accommodate you. I have 30 amp spots, I have 50 amp spots. They're full hookups, water, electric, and sewer. You also have access to a free laundry room if you're camping here, RVing here, or staying in one of our accommodations. Our tent camping, we offer fire pits, there's restrooms, shower facilities, picnic tables, and water. And again, you also have access to the laundry rooms. We sell ice cream bars, soda water, Gatorade, candy bars. Once in a while we'll have Girl Scout cookies, since my granddaughters are Girl Scouts. Usually people are most surprised by that they've been driving in the desert, because we are high desert. We have trees. It is an oasis. When they come here, we're the last place on the end of the road. So they are extremely surprised about what we have to offer when they do get here.